students, so let's try to solve one more question from CSIR NET 2024 December exam, and it was held in just I think March, 2nd of March. So this is question ID 705125. So there as two blocks are given and one horizontal force is applied there. So we have to find the contact force between this M1 and M2. Simplest question of the physics. Just a class 11 question. You can see. Now you can see that same thing we are discussing in our section 2.2 free body diagram of the mechanics chapter, and that is where we have given the one exactly same example. But here we have talking about the three different bodies to understand the contact forces. Here M1, M2, M3 and horizontal force is given. So students, you can see our approach is exactly matching to the approach of CSIR NET. We are 100% aligned with them. And if any student have done this question, it is cakewalk for them. So let's try to solve it. It's the simplest question ever asked into CSIR NET exam. So what is this? So there is your mass M1, second mass is M2, and this is frictionless surface. So there is force F, M1, M2 and force is given. First we can assume that both mass will move together. So why this contact force is some internal force. So let's say this is N and this is N. So what we have, F is equal to M1 plus M2 into A. So this is 3, this is 2 plus 1 into A. So A is equal to 1 meter per second square. Now we can go for free body diagram separately for M1 because we have to talk the contact force. So what we are talking about? So this is all about M1. This is F. We can have normal force like this. So we have F minus N is equal to M1A. And for the second part, we have this is your M2. We have N here. So N must be equal to M2A. So here M2 is equal to 1, A is equal to 1, so N is equal to 1. So don't worry, we can verify from here also. So F is equal to 3 minus N is equal to 2 into 1, so N is equal to again 1 Newton. So yes, your answer is 1 Newton, simplest question. And even if it is not simple for the examination, if you will go for our study material, if you will believe on our methodology, you will focus on our content, then you can 100% solve this question because this is the first example of this Newton's law we are given, and that is coming into the examination. So this is all about your belief system. Believe on the best. This is the thing, and don't hesitate to join our system of education in any form. You will 100% benefit it.